Oh, coin. All right, I'm back on my field. Probably the last time I'm gonna be on this field this year because of hunting season. So I gotta find a new field. My little dance and filling in a plug because I've already been detecting a little bit. And we're here with my film crew. Say hi.
Hey.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah,
Above the road.
Well, discombobulated. Bullet casing. What I got here, 7mm Magnum. They used this in the Revolutionary War against the War on Terror when we were
Is that it?
yeah, that's it. I don't have any more. Got something again, and I think I know what it is. Plop plop.
Let's see it.
That's an oldie. Look at that old buckle.
That one's bigger.
Yeah, that's an old buckle. Got something, found something. Earned myself a soda pop, a cola. So that's an oldie. This used to be an old dairy farm. And I did not know that. And then the dairy farm moved places. And then, it's not gonna hurt anything, I'll drop it in the back. And then it moved places. And my dad used to work for him in the 60s, driving truck when it was at a different place. Oh, probably a dairy cow.
Yeah, that's exactly what's in the hole.
Could be.
Sure it's not a tiger?
Could be that too. Oh, come on. It's a tiger that turned into aluminum foil.
It's a liger.
Bred for its skills of magic. I don't know. I need a drink of water. So, oh. See, I'm dehydrated and I'm passing out and you're laughing at me.
Poor baby.
Well, you don't even know how to post to YouTube, so I won't even get any new subscribers if I die.
Well, what's the video gonna be?
Oh, I'm dying in a field. Bet you get like 1 million views.
This isn't the water channel, you know.
Well, I usually make it the worm channel or the flower channel. Shing, shing. Oh, coin. Yeah, I hear. Oh, coin. Let's see what it is. It's an oldie. Can't tell what it is. It's definitely old. bit of markings there. I can't. I don't
It's hard
think.
to see.
Yeah. It is. I don't want to rub it too much. I'm going to take that home. I can't tell anything right now and I don't want to rub it too much. So I'm going to take it home and clean it up and I'll show you a picture. Then I'll show you an undug example. But I really don't want to rub that too much. It's not silver, so I can't spray it.
Is that your case, your special case?
Yeah, it's my old logo, but this came from England. It's my older logo, but still the same thing. Ba-jing! And that's the first coin I put in it. Coin! Awesome.
Awesome.
I found a coin. I found a coin. I found a coin, so you can shut your mouth. Oh, that's uncalled for.
Marry me again?
I do. You're not on one
Do you
knee.
like my bouquet?
You're not on one knee. I'm not going to say yes if it's
Do you
not
like
there.
my bouquet?
Yeah, but I'm not saying yes unless you get down properly. I'm not a floozy.
Yes, you are.
Get down on one knee.
Do you accept it?
Get down on one knee. Fine, I accept. I don't
Take
have
my bouquet.
where?
I made that for you.
Thank you.
I had it stuffed in my sweatshirt.
For how long?
Since we've been here, I've been gathering them.
Oh my god. Hey, look at that. Oh, it's not modern. Never mind. I mean, it's not. That's a Civil War Jägermeister bottle. Yeah, that's what they used to drink when they're sitting around the campfire. I thought that was an old bottle. It is, I mean, sitting around the campfire, talking about their next battle plan.
Eating their Twizzlers.
Twizzlers. Shut up, you bought it for me. Here we go again, digging in a hole. Digging up nails as I've ever known. Once in a while I get a buckle. But, oh, crap. I had to film this in the car because the traffic was too much. I got my old buckle, which is like the 5th, maybe 6th buckle I've pulled out of this field. And then this, you can see, I think it's 1864. I don't know if you can see. I'll put a picture in it. You can see the shield, and it looks like an 1864 Civil War era 2-cent piece. From what I'm seeing, I can just barely make it out, but I'm gonna clean it up. I can't. It looks like it is from the front, but I'm gonna clean it up. I see what it is, and then I'll post a picture of it, hopefully somewhere. Either when I found it or right here. Mysteries for you. What are you picking on me for?
Because you're doing this.
Yeah, because it's amazing. You don't even know. All right, I'm off to get a soda pop, and hope you like what you saw. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, comment. Check out my Instagram, which is run by my wife, because I don't know how to run Instagram, but if you send a message there, I will respond, because she teaches me that. And Facebook. Till next time. Looks like Civil War clarets. This is a Civil War mayonnaise packet.